provide some self-watering situations, something that, so I don't have to, especially in the summertime, man. The summertime is a beast. So I'm like, okay, that's my goal for next year, is to get some type of like self-watering component to my garden, so I don't have to be out here for hours, even though I love it. If I wasn't on here with you guys, typically I'll be listening to something. I'll either be listening to one of my many commentary shows that I watch on YouTube. I watch a lot of YouTube. I support a lot of YouTube channel that do commentary on like some of the reality shows that I watch, like Love is Blind and all of the housewives on Bravo. And so if I'm not listening to that, I'm listening to a sermon or some just worship music, depending on the mood that I'm in. And I'm just out here enjoying being out in the elements, enjoying nature, enjoying the wind, and all of that good stuff. This is my okra bed. I don't know why I'm really watering it, but I see a ton of flowers, which means okra want to grow. So I'll water it. I'll water y'all. I see a ton of flowers. So if you guys look, like on the top of these okra plants, these are like flowers, like these. And that one, those are the flowers that come, and then the bees or ants, whichever pollinator decide to come do their thing, they pollinate it, and then the okra starts to come out. And those are a lot of flowers, which means they want to grow, which should also tell you that the weather isn't that bad here. But the last week, the weather has been great, but then it's starting to get cold again. So like I said, the weather is so inconsistent in this area. I'm so sorry if y'all could hear all of that noise. I live near like a fire station, and this is an urban garden for sure. I live in an urban setting, so you'll be hearing a lot of noises. Y'all, this is my lavender I was talking about. This lavender was plants that's in the front of my house, and then I cut some out and brought it back here, and I didn't think it was gonna do that well, but it's doing very well. I'm very shocked. And I put a little bit of peace over there too, like all the way down there. I don't know if y'all can see, but I put some down there, and it's not doing its best, but I'm wondering if it's because it doesn't get like a lot of sun in that area, because I have a ton of trees over here. As you can see, these are all trees. Like, so on this side of my garden, it doesn't get a lot of sun. So I put a lot of plants on this side that doesn't require that much sun throughout the day. So I'm wondering if that's why my lavender isn't doing well, if it's because it's not getting any sun. Yes, y'all. What's going on? What plans do you guys have for the weekend? Ooh, look at all these leaves. Let me show you guys. Oh, look at this. I was about to say, let me show you guys some of these peppers. These are my bells. Look at this, y'all. Look at these. These are still trying to come in. These plants are making me so proud. I swear, if I could hug them, I would. Look at this. I am so, oh, wow. What in the world? I am seeing the habaneros come all the way over here. Look at this, y'all. This is a habanero right here. All this is telling me is that all the plants have fallen on top of each other, which is the reason why I planted a ton of peppers together like this, so they could lean on each other. Because, the pepper stem, they're not very sturdy. When they start to grow big, they need support. And I have this right here. This is bamboo, dry bamboo, that I put on it to help support it. But it still needs support. It needs more support than that. So if you're growing like a ton of peppers together, they're all gonna fall on each other. They start to extend in different branches and stuff. And yeah, I remember when I first started showing this garden to everyone, they kept telling